At the College of Business, experiential learning is at the heart of our curriculum because the best way to learn business is by doing it. Our students develop and pitch business ideas, sometimes even managing small ventures. They collect primary data through direct engagement with consumer and businesses, gaining practical insight into market. Company and factory visit expose them to real operations, while teamwork challenges them to apply business concept in collaborative setting.
All of this leads to the senior year, a true culmination of their learning journey. Our students gain practical work experience with companies through internships during summer or semester breaks, and they complete a capstone project, a comprehensive study that integrates everything they've learned over 4 years into a single professional achievement. At the College of Business, we prepare our students to think, act, and lead as professionals from day one.
Their education goes beyond textbook. It's about shaping tomorrow's economy through hands-on practical experience.